I think augmented reality is a really interesting thing that's become really popular now, especially on mobile. And I think that I was curious when I was exploring the subject deeper how brands are really monetizing it. But all the experts made a really good point that augmented reality isn't exactly about monetizing. It's more about bringing that brand experience into the home or to an outdoor area or something like that. Instead of just really pushing products, it's really pushing that lifestyle and that shopping experience. So that said, I think that augmented reality will be something that will be used a lot more in the future. So if luxury brands aren't comfortable using it or aren't or don't really have someone on staff that knows about it, I think it's definitely something that they should be looking to do going forward. And what's out there now I think is really cool and everything works very well, which you know, is not always the case with new technology. So brands should definitely keep that up as well.